What's up, Go to Ones? Frank from Go to Guild here. Today we're checking out a bunch of companies, but the first one is Locofy Lightning. Figma design to code in one click with large design models. Let's see what that's about. Website's taking a little while to load. Front powered by AI. There's a lot happening. Stuff is moving here. There's stuff moving over here. It's a whole lot of text and icons. This is just a lot. Front-end development at lightning speed. Designed to code in one click. Watch demo. I will watch a demo.
Hello, I'm James Clancy, Head of
What up,
Developer
James?
Relations
What's going on, James? It's a 5-minute video. I'm not watching 5 minutes.
at Locofy, and I'm here to introduce you to the future of front-end development, Locofy Lightning. Imagine taking your
I have a feeling this is just going to be a lot of fluff. Come on.
Figma designs and transforming all of your screens into code with just one click. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's now a reality thanks to the power of Locofy Lightning Beta. We're here.
Okay, so that 24 seconds, completely useless. Just cut it.
In Figma, where the journey begins. Watch closely as we select multiple screens for conversion. And with just one click, your designs are now transformed into clean, responsive code. Our cutting-edge Loco AI, powered by our large design model,
Kind of hard to see, but
which was trained on millions of designs, ensures that the transition from design to code is seamless, efficient, and incredibly accurate. However, with all AI developer tools, there can
I've been using stuff since Dreamweaver. So this has been like a consistent thing of design to code.
be moments where it doesn't get everything perfect. That's why we've made it easy for you to review all decisions made by the AI, allowing you to override them if necessary, ensuring your final code aligns exactly with your vision. But that's just the start. Notice how Locofy Lightning smartly detects interactive elements like buttons and text boxes. This isn't just about converting.
Okay. Ship products 10 times faster with your existing design tools, libraries, tech stack, and CI/CD workflows. Cool. This is a lot. This is just a very intense page. There's a whole lot going on. Do I understand what the product is? I do. I've had to go from Figma recently to code on a couple projects, so it is something that I have done recently, and I feel like I understand the product. I think the question is like, how good is it in terms of creating code that you would want people to write? Like, is the CSS solid? How is that generated? What's the, is it code that if you pass this along to someone and say, oh, this looks like a good set of code or not? And I'm assuming they're able to discern what good code is and design principles. So I feel like this has been promised in a lot of ways. But yeah, is this going to replace me having to have a front-end engineer? I don't know. I'm assuming, especially for at least for Figma, for me, my last designer had a bunch of interactive elements that were very specific. So it was more about the transitions and how certain things shrink and move versus just the design looking like it's supposed to look. So in terms of understanding what it does, I think it's pretty clear. So I'm going to give it decent mid 7.6. I think the video had a lot of fluff. This image over here, I don't know what this really is doing for me. It's just like scrolling. It's like I don't really need to read the actual code here. It's not like there's something in this code that is helpful. So I don't really get the point of that. Built on Locofy's large design models. Trained on millions of designs and products. Don't care. Combination of multimodal and heuristic models. This matters to you. I don't know if this matters to the average person. I don't care if it's trained on millions of designs and products. I just care if the output is good. Personally. I mean, this is just Frank's opinion. This is not like, I'm not saying this is what everybody thinks. For me, I don't care. Because there are some programs that are not trained on a bunch of design and info, and it's based on a couple people's like design taste, and that gives me better results. So like, why would I care if it's designed on all, if it's trained on all this data? It's not necessarily a good thing. Especially design, I sometimes want my design to stand out from the crowd. I don't want it to be homogenous. Um, and maybe I want transitions to be more like what I put in Figma and not what you think other companies have done. A lot of lines of codes exported. That's helpful to see that people are using it. Try for free. I hate beta tags. It makes me feel like it's not really that good and you're just testing it out. I mean, I'd rather you gate access than tell me it's beta, personally. Just say like, hey, we're only accepting a few people. That actually feels better. Locofy integrates seamlessly, because if you're going to put it out, just like put it out. Locofy integrates seamlessly to go from designs to code to deploy. Design tools, Figma. I actually haven't used Adobe XD before. Storybook, yep. Different web frameworks, cool. I get it. How does it work? We adapt to you. Oh, they're hijacking the scroll. We adapt to you. Keep using the tools you already love. Okay. So I hit the Locofy button. Lightning. Scans to design. It's just like I look in both sides. Instant preview and code. Clean modular code, just how you like it. That's what I'm talking about. Like, how modular is the code? Is this extensible? Responsive layout. Okay. Is that even if I haven't explicitly given a responsive layout, it will just create one? It looks cool that you can update stuff quickly. I wonder if they're going to go to final step and actually like generate designs for you. Only seems to make sense. Collaborate and extend the code, add actions, bind data, share prototype with the wider team. Export, deploy, or sync to GitHub. Got it. Join other builders. Builders from these organizations are enjoying Locofy in beta. This is the companies of the people who've signed up. I mean, I don't know. I mean, are you allowed to do that? Because I'm sure they can get permission from all these places to put their logo on the site. When I put logos on the site, it was, I mean, I guess you don't always get explicit permission, but like I usually try to just get like real testimonials. Because I'm sure some of these people just don't even, you know what I mean? Like they're not advocates yet for the company, I would assume. Because there's a lot of logos. I've never seen this many logos on the site. When there's that many, it makes me skeptical. You're just like looking through your database and saying like, okay, they work here, so they love the product. You know what I mean? It'd be more impactful if somebody from Stripe was like, this is a huge part of our engineering team's workflow. We use this every day. And it's like, oh, this Stripe has like 50 licenses. That is better than a smattering of logos. Let's see, this is good. Mellow saved 70% of development time. I hand coded things for years and spent so much time trying to get things pixel perfect. When Locofy is like my little coder robot friend who can do it for me. That's great. That's, you have an example and you have their name and the company. Peru, gotta love Peru. One of my favorite places. Nonprofit save 1 month of development time. Yeah, these are good testimonials. I would pick 2 or 3 of them and go deeper on it. Just like random quotes, not attributed to anybody. I mean, that's not doing anything. It's too much text. For a design tool, I feel like there's way too much text on this page in general. Go to market with fully exportable, deployable front-end code. Okay. I mean, it's kind of hard to judge whether or not it's good code or not. Discover interactive web and mobile apps built using Locofy. They got a showcase. That's always good. And then community mentions. It's like YouTubers. Tiff and Tech.
Professor Terence Tao is the equivalent of a rock star in mathematics.
Regarded. Ever have a project idea or business idea, but no one seems to get your vision for it? You spend so much time explaining what this is going to do, how this is going to be different, why they need to help you.
All right. I guess there's a bunch of different ones. But wait, where is it? Am I bugging? It's not one of these 4 companies. Or is Loopy? I'm confused. Is it on this
Imagine
one?
transforming a stunning design into a fully functional app in just minutes using the power of AI. No more wasted hours writing repetitive template code from scratch. Instead, focus on the exciting and complex logic that brings your projects to life. In this video, you'll learn how to transform a real estate Figma design into a fully responsive and functional application.
Okay. I just wanted to see if there are real videos. Seems like they're getting a lot of traction with some of these videos, so good for them. What our backers are saying. Partner at Excel takes the enormous amount of time and bandwidth. I mean, these are your investors. Like, of course they're going to say something nice about you. I'm not even going to read it. I mean, all right. Been featured everywhere. Yeah, I've never heard of this. It seems like it's pretty popular, but I live under a rock, so there's so much text on this page. It is painful. Figma to React. So this is good. They have kind of specific workflows that people are going to need. Figma to HTML, CSS. It's probably the main thing. It's probably good SEO on this page. Yeah, I mean, generally, I feel like I think this is a useful service. I think a lot of folks need tools like this. Makes their lives easier. Front-end engineers who understand both sides are pretty rare, so I get why this is needed in the development world. I think the page is a little busy, and there's nothing really wrong with the page. I think the best part for me is this section right here. I think it's good to tie in the testimonial with actual examples of what they use it for. It has full info on who the people are. This section could go. That's just painful in my eyes. But yeah, I like it. In terms of the full page, I'm gonna give it an 8.4. I think it's a solid. This looks like a solid product. If you're in the market for turning your Figma designs into real code, yeah, this might save you some time and money. Check out locofy.ai, locofy.ai. As always, brush your teeth, walk in the corner, get some feedback from go2gill.com. Dembo out.